Hey up, Simon here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can actually get started. So let's crack on with what affiliate marketing actually is. So it's a pretty simple business model really, where you're just simply recommending other people's products or other companies' products or services online and then making commissions on every sale that you generate. So you sign up to these these online stores, and there's a ton of them. All the major brands have an online store that you can sign up as an affiliate for. They give you a unique affiliate link with your own unique affiliate ID, and then whenever you share this online, whether it be through a website or a YouTube channel or your social media, every time someone clicks through that link and buys, you get a cut of the sale. And it really is as simple as that. And the cool thing about affiliate marketing too is that you don't have to deal with any customer service issues. You don't have to deal with any products either. You simply send people to these online stores and then just let them take care of the rest. So pretty simple and pretty easy to understand. So now let's crack on and let me show you how affiliate marketing works. So there are literally tens of thousands of these affiliate programs that you can join for free online, right? For these online stores. You've got the likes of Amazon is probably the biggest one. You've got Walmart, Best Buy, Canon, Samsung, Booking.com, the list goes on and on and on. And actually there are over 550 million products that you can promote online as an affiliate to make money. So let's just say, for example, you join the Amazon affiliate program and you want to promote this Gillette razor on Amazon priced at $95. As you can see, Amazon commission rates are set by category, and as this would fall under the luxury beauty category, you'd make 5% commissions on every single sale. To get your affiliate link, you simply go to that product page, whatever product it is, hit get link in the top left and add that where it makes sense and where it's relevant in your content, whether it be your blog posts, your YouTube videos, or your social media posts, wherever it is that you're talking about these products. Then whenever someone clicks your link and buys, you'll get credited for the sale and you'll be able to see your stats in the affiliate dashboard area. Amazon will then take care of all the payments for you, and they'll do all the shipping and deal with all of that kind of thing. So all you have to do is literally wait to get paid at the end of the month, and it's really as simple as that. So affiliate marketing is, I really like it. I love it because number one, it's simple, but also like it's a win-win-win. So Amazon makes more sales because you've sent people to their site. Customers find the products that they're looking for because you've helped them solve a problem, or you've answered a question, or said this is the best one to get. And then of course you as an affiliate, you win too because you're getting a slice of the action. All right, and speaking of action, now let me show you affiliate marketing in action. So every time someone Googles something, let's say best air purifier, you'll see a bunch of websites like this come up. Now, every time someone Googles best air purifier and clicks on this website, the owner of this website recommends these air purifiers. As you can see, they're recommending ones on Amazon, Wayfair, Home Depot. They make money every single time someone clicks through their link and buys. So if the air purifier, as you can see on Amazon, is $229, the commission rate is 2.25%. So you as the affiliate will make $5.15 for every sale that you generate. Now you might be sat there thinking, what is that it? But use a keyword tool like Mangools and you can see that air purifiers or best air purifiers get searched 13,900 times a month, right? Let that sink in. So if only half of those people who search best air purifiers each and every month goes to your website, you're going to make more than $36,000 through Amazon alone. Now that is massive, and it just shows you how much earning potential there really is in this. Another really cool example is this YouTube video that compares the best Sony cameras. As you can see, it's already had like over 79,000 views. That's just in the last 3 months. And if you check in the description, these are all the affiliate links right here. So this guy who made this is just one video, remember. The guy who made this video is raking in literally thousands in daily commissions. There is a heck of a lot of money to be made in affiliate marketing. So I hope that makes sense. I hope you can see how affiliate marketing actually works in real life and how you can get in on the action. So if you are ready to start, you're probably wondering where is the best place to start, or how do you get started? Well, the single best place to get started is Wealthy Affiliate. If you click the first link in the description down below this video, that's going to give you access to a completely free 7-day trial, no credit card required. And for just as little as $49 a month, so you can upgrade whenever you like, whenever you feel ready. You can get all the cutting edge AI tools, the core training, step by step over the shoulder, as well as all the support and the community of 2.6 million affiliate marketers. Basically everything you need to succeed in the online space. So yeah, don't hesitate, click that link below and just get started today, and just take it lesson by lesson, take it step by step, and you'll definitely get to where you want to be. And if you'd like more info on exactly what Wealthy Affiliate is, feel free to check out my Wealthy Affiliate review as well. I'll stick it up there. And of course, if you have any questions about what affiliate marketing is or how to get started, anything at all, leave me a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. And until next time, cheers.